Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this spider face filter on Instagram. Okay, this is the filter. You can use this effect as sensitive content filter also. Okay, so to get this effect, what you have to do in the reels, remember this image. Okay, this is the effect icon. Tap there. Okay, now in the search for spider. Okay, and you will get this effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the search, what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, wait for it. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this spider face filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.